Welcome, here I've got OPPO A53 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we get access to 3 other buttons we can manage. Now let's pick this one from the right so we can open the advanced camera settings. From here let's just simply slide a little bit down to the photo settings, and here we have the grid option. So by tapping on this button here we can turn on the camera grid lines, and another tap to turn them off when we don't need them. So for now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to see it, and as you can see it shows us these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture. So the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need this, we can easily go back to the right corner, then to the settings from the right, and slide again to the photo settings, tap on this button. So for now the grid lines in the camera preview have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.